Hi guys, welcome once again to the training series. Now we're continuing on the same pull and hook shot. Someone asked me to explain and demonstrate how do you play the pull shot on the ground versus playing it in the air. Now there are different theories and methodologies how to play it, so I'll just keep it as basic as possible. So basically, to play the pull shot on the ground, you want to be above the height of the ball. You want to also roll your wrist upon contact with the ball in order for it to get on the ground as quickly as possible. Now, playing it in the air is slightly different. You can either keep the bat face as vertical as possible to the ground or perpendicular or upwards. Now, I'll demonstrate just to let you see what I'm talking about. So, just check me out. So, I'm using the Farley Hang 3819 series again. Now, it's not on the stand. I put it down so that it can project the ball to my head as close as best as possible to increase the level of difficulty. So, watch me as I go. It's gonna be rough. Let me start out by going on the ground. There we go. So I'm riding it. Ground again. Ground. One more ground and I'm going the aerial next time. Ground. So if I'm going in the air, this is the difference. Here. Lift. Aerial again. Aerial. Aerial. One more aerial. Aerial. And then one more ground to keep it down. So that's basically how you keep it on the ground or in the air. So watch me as I do some more. I'll be trying to launch it as far as possible. Aerially, also on the ground. So watch me. Ground. Ground. Whoa, that last. Come on. Ground. Ground. Whoa. Ground. Oh, too high. Oh. Sorry. Ground. Ground. Yeah. Area. Oh. I catch good. So. Sorry. Oh. Quick. Gone.